No.
Hello, my name is Aman Kazi and I am your instructor for this course. In this course, we are going to explore some basics of Selenium, which can be used to hack social accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The course is divided into 4 sections. First section includes setup, second section include hacking of social accounts, third section include SMS and email bombing, and the fourth section consists of bonus videos which will keep updating time to time. Prerequisites for this course are basics of Python and web development. After completing the course, you will have the knowledge to hack any social account you want. In the second section of the course, we will see step-by-step approach to a given problem and how to change that problem into a better solution. I hope you are excited for this course and ready to join the fun with us. Thank you.